42 participants from LGU, barangay, and NGO attended the 3-day training on camp coordination and camp management and individually displaced person protection at Northview Hotel, Lawag City, last January 17 to 19. On September 18 to 20, 2024, the Office of Civil Defense Region 1 conducted the Emergency Operations Center training to 30 participants from MDRR-MC Pinili at Baguio City. Then po, September 18 to 20, napang kami apo at kami dagiti opisyales kang kastamatan dagiti department heads, employees at dagiti kasta mailipas tayo apo dagiti emergency operations center training ay isang nasisita launay no dumteng iti didigra apo emergency. These advocacies are part of the LGU's campaign on disaster preparedness by providing capacity building activities to individuals to better adapt themselves to crisis situations. Disaster response. This is the provision of emergency services and public assistance during or immediately after a disaster in order to save lives, reduce negative health impacts, ensure public safety, and meet the basic subsistence need of people affected. It is focused on immediate and short-term needs, which is also known as disaster relief. To note, there were 51 families who were given relief goods during Super Typhoon Karina, and one family evacuated to a safer place. 11 families were also given relief goods during Tropical Depression Hener. Makita tayo apo nga basit laeng tinumber ti families nga naigkan iti relief. Kaya't nakasawayan na po effective ay disaster awareness and preparedness kadagiti barbarangay kaabsat. Alpasan iti adu nga seminar kada trainings amo tayon mapapadaanan pa lang datay bagyo nakasaganan apo dagiti kakailyan tayo. So dito apo ti pagsayatan na no involve the community kadagitoy nga preparasyon. In response to Typhoon Julian, which was recently hit our province, we have allocated 25 kilos per family for the whole town. Kakabsat. Sapasap na ito'y apo, awan na Labasan. At the 5,652 nga pamilya nga nakaawat, iti 25 kilos apo. Personal development. The MDRRMO and staff attended various capacity buildings and trainings to enhance, improve, and sustain their skills, capacity, and knowledge on disaster management. Innovations. The MDRRMO were able to procure early warning devices like our LED wall, which we are using right now, and another one installed at the public market. These serve as ways to disseminate awareness and information regarding calamities. Another is the flood gauge to determine the level of water so that the community can prepare for the necessary action. Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office which is headed by Mark Gel Bumanglag, handles environmental concerns and ensures the regulations are being implemented within the municipality. The municipality has maintained its commitment towards environmental protection in its efforts in protecting its natural biodiversity. The municipality, through its employees and other stakeholders, have planted more than 3,300 seedlings in 2023 and approximately 1,300 seedlings this 2024. Solid waste management, construction of sanitary landfill. For our continuous improvement in proper solid waste management, the municipality has started the construction of the initial phase of its engineered sanitary landfill in Barangay Sakritan. This facility, upon its completion, will allow for the proper disposal of solid waste. This will take advantage of engineering techniques to isolate waste from the environment, thereby avoiding contamination and the spread of diseases. Waste diversion. In combination with proper waste disposal, the municipality also practices waste diversion and aims to yearly improve its diversion rate. In the past year, the municipality has diverted over 20 tons of recyclables. This is just a small portion of what the municipality aims to divert. Next year and the years ahead, we aim at least triple this value. Diversion activities were accomplished either by selling or by grinding. Municipal Tourism Office by Ms. Mabi Carol B. Cercado. Our municipal accountant is also a designated tourism officer of our municipality. Tourist arrivals. We have witnessed a significant increase in tourist arrivals based on the submitted data from our accommodation establishments from 19,556 in 2022 to an outstanding 50,389 visitors in 2023, or 157.67% increase. This remarkable growth reflects our collective efforts in promoting Pinili as a prime destination, both for local and international tourists. We are becoming known for our cultural heritage, which continues to captivate the interest of visitors. Ranked second in the Tan-Ok ni Ilocano. Lakpakan tayo ako. I would like to extend my congratulations to everyone involved in our participation in the Tan-Ok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals last February. Out of 23 municipalities and cities in the province, Pinili ranked second, a prestigious honor that underscores the unity and creativity of everyone involved in the production. Birth Centennial Celebration of Nana Magdalena Gamayo, our very own national living treasure. This year marked a momentous occasion for our town with the birth centennial of Nana Dalen. This celebration not only honored her contribution to the art of weaving, but also highlighted the importance of preserving our indigenous traditions. Through this event, we have inspired a renewed interest in our weaving industry, attracting cultural enthusiasts and providing economic opportunities for our local artists. A local youth development office, the young people are the backbone of every country and the future of every nation. In Pinili, we make our youth feel important, that they belong and that they matter in our community. With this consideration, we give them freedom to plan and take initiatives in the conduct of their activities. The local youth development office is headed by our former PSK President, Herbin Dave M. Pagdilaw. And these are some of their accomplishments. One, as mentioned earlier, we provide scholarship programs for high school and college students. Two, support for annual sports fest. Three, support for inter-barangay basketball tournament. Four, support for the Vinci Cup Inter-Second District Basketball Tournament where Pinili gathered second place, hoping to become champion this year. And fifth, the distribution of livestock for out-of-school youth. Six, support to the Intertown Sports Festival. Seven, recognition of all college graduates and board and bar passers, which was conducted during the celebration of Linggo ng Kabataan. Of course, allow me to present a very promising young lady of Barangay Balbuena who just recently made a name for herself as the top-notcher of the Food Technologies Licensor exam held last August. And she is no other than Miss Bana Galagak, the daughter of Mr. Raul and Tita Galagak. For them to have a place in their own, in planning their activities and programs, we have provided the following establishments: Local Youth Development Office, Sangguniang Kabataan Office, Youth Learning Office. Having mentioned this, it is one of the priorities of the LGU to protect our youth by providing beneficial activities to keep them busy and to have a brighter future ahead of them. Municipal Assessor's Office. Our Municipal Assessor's Office, headed by Engineer Noel G. Coloma, is responsible in the appraisal and assessment of real properties for tax purposes. The total collectibles as of September 30, 2024 is 9,529,451.20 from the assessed value of 4,764,725.60. As of September 30, 2024, there are newly assessed and appraised buildings and machineries totaling for the amount of 17,124,300 pesos. Dagitoy nga real property taxes tayo apo, di maysa nga pagapuan, di income, di ili tayo. Municipal Treasurer's Office. The Municipal Treasurer's Office, headed by Mrs. Amiruel S. Coloma, responsible in the collection of taxes, fees, and charges based on approved ordinances.